Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you hustle, money just seems to slip away? You wake up early, grind late into the night, but somehow you're still in the same place financially. I know that feeling because I've been there. And today, I want to share why most people struggle with money and the simple mindset shift that can set you free. Section 1. The myths that keep us broke. Most of us grew up believing a few big money myths. Myth number 1. Hard work alone creates wealth. In reality, hard work pays bills, but smart strategy builds wealth. That's why two people can work the same hours, but one builds assets while the other stays broke. Myth number 2. Saving money is enough. Saving is good, but if you only save, inflation will quietly eat your money. Wealth is built by making money grow, not just keeping it in a jar. Myth number 3. Multiple hustles equal freedom. A lot of us think having 3 or 4 hustles will make us rich, but often it just leaves us tired, scattered, and stressed. True freedom comes from building one strong system at a time. Section 2. The real reasons people struggle. So why do people stay stuck? We were never really taught how money works. Not in school, not even at university. We don't learn the skill of creating value, what I call irresistible offers. And too many of us spend our lives chasing money instead of building systems that bring money to us. Section 3. The escape path. The good news? Escaping the hustle trap is possible. Here are 3 steps to start shifting. Shift your mindset. Stop thinking like a hustler. Start thinking like a wealth builder. Learn to create value. The fastest way to make more money is to make offers people feel silly saying no to. Build systems, not chaos. Instead of juggling 5 hustles, build one income stream properly, then grow from there. So if you've been hustling hard and wondering why you're not further ahead, now you know. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. In the next chapter, we'll dig into the secret skill that changes everything. How to create offers so good, people feel silly saying no. That's where real wealth begins.
Yo, check it. My wallet's looking kinda skinny. Need to make it look thicky. Stacking dough is the mission, gotta listen. No more splurging every Friday. Time to do things my way. Gotta get that dough. Gotta save for tomorrow. No more sorrow. Gotta get that dough. Future's looking hollow if we don't get that dough. Used to buy shoes every week. Now that thought makes me weak. Rent is always creeping, so now I'm sleeping. No more splurging every Friday. Time to do things my way.